Companies are bad, companies are evil, companies are greedy. Companies are responsible for the climate crisis that the earth is going through. Here's a fact: 71% of global emissions are done by the top 100 companies. So, who is going to save us? The answer is companies. Wait, that makes no sense, right? Well, the real actual change will only come through people's behavior. What type of products they purchase, what kind of cars they drive, how their decisions are based on the sustainability of the planet. But till that takes time. Some companies have already started working on the problem. These are the 5 companies that will definitely change the world. The current manufacturing industry isn't helping a lot in reversing climate change, and that is the problem Visolis promises to solve. Visolis is a US-based company that produces carbon-negative materials by using synthetic biology. Essentially, the company can produce truly carbon-negative chemicals because they use biomass instead of petroleum, along with their in-house technology to produce high-quality materials. Renewable. This way, they are reducing the emission of greenhouse gases at the level of manufacturing the product itself. By mass, chickens account for around 70% of the bird species on Earth. The meat consumption grows 6 times every year. 57% of total food emissions come from meat and dairy products. Beyond Meat is a company that is solving this exact problem. People who have acquired the taste of meat do not essentially have to give up on the taste, but maybe on the source. Beyond Meat is developing plant-based meat, considering the taste palettes of meat eaters, of different meat eaters. Of course, that is going to help them transition into becoming vegan or vegetarian. We cannot ever really escape our emissions. Everything we do produces some amount of carbon. So to reverse this, we actually have to suck carbon out of the atmosphere. Climeworks, a company based out of Switzerland, is working on this groundbreaking tech. So they have these vents that capture the carbon from direct air, and then these pods convert it into minerals and stores it deep inside the earth. How nice is that? Imagine a world where electric vehicles are finally the only means to own a personal vehicle. Our emissions will be very low, and who has recently helped in achieving this feat? It's Tesla. But how are they making a huge difference by selling electric cars that essentially run on fossil fuels itself? They make a difference via their manufacturing style, which is mostly powered by renewable energy. One of their gigafactories run on 100% renewable energy, by the way. Additionally, it is believed Elon Musk personally pays a lot of attention on the manufacturing part of Tesla. All of this while making electric cars cool. I feel Tesla is easing the renewable transition. So when we talk about companies' contribution to reversing climate change, we mostly talk about tech or some kind of a product that's sustainable. But there is a bigger role that companies like Google fill in. The role of symbolism, the role of the greater good that these companies are ready to go for. Google as a company has been carbon neutral for the past 15 years. That's a big deal. Of course, they cannot control the dependency on fossil fuels in a lot of countries, but they are completely shifting to renewable energy in the next 5 years. That's what they have promised. In fact, they are the largest buyers of renewable energy in the entire world. Most of it probably is just symbolism, but it sends out a message. That's what's important here. Google as a company takes responsibility to reverse climate change and change their own ways in the process. So we have talked about how a lot of companies are the reason behind the climate change and how some of the companies are trying to truly change the way products are created. With these products becoming a possibility, we can definitely ensure that our individual choices would make a difference. Climate change is more real than the White Walkers, and we need to reverse it if we don't want to become an extinct civilization. Although these companies have contributed a lot, we all have a certain responsibility too. Our consumerism is being taken care of. Meanwhile, it's time for us to become more responsible. One of the ways you can become responsible is by calculating your personal carbon footprint. I have added a link in the description which you can visit and check out your personal carbon footprint. At the same time, I have also added a link to our Discord community where you can meet like-minded people, get updates about climate change, volunteer, or get employed for a climate change startup. If you like this video and more such videos, subscribe to this channel and like and share and comment your thoughts below. Have a nice day.